Welcome to our guide on the Strike Bitcoin app. Let's explore its purpose and what makes it unique. The Strike Bitcoin app offers a variety of features, from simple transactions to advanced financial tools. Let's take a closer look. Navigating the app is a breeze. The user interface is designed for ease of use, making it accessible for everyone. Your safety is paramount. We'll discuss the robust security measures Strike implements to ensure your information remains secure. Understanding costs is vital. Here's a breakdown of the fees and transactions when using the Strike app. How does Strike stack up against competitors? Let's analyze its pros and cons. Listen to what real users have to say about their experience with the Strike Bitcoin app. No app is perfect. We'll discuss some potential drawbacks or limitations you should be aware of. In conclusion, is the Strike Bitcoin app worth using? Let's summarize what we've learned today. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences or questions about the Strike app in the comments below.